Sometimes the best adventures aren't planned. A rare, sunny day appeared on my time off, and I knew I couldn't waste it indoors. Lately, life had fallen into a familiar pattern. Work, home, repeat. Nothing wrong with it. But sometimes, you need to step outside that circle and remind yourself there's a bigger world waiting beyond it. I didn't have time to plan anything ambitious, so I headed towards Sligo. Simple, close enough to reach, far enough to feel like an escape. The weather looked perfect. The wind was not. The cold hit instantly, turning my face red within minutes. But standing on Benwiskin, none of that mattered anymore. I've been here many times, and every visit feels the same. Part of me still wonders if what I'm looking at is real. The shape of the mountain, the cliffs, the scale of the landscape, it almost feels artificial. But when you stand near the edge and look down, there is no doubt. This place is real. And it's spectacular. After flying the drone and taking a few photographs, I still had some daylight left. That doesn't happen often in Ireland. So I continued to Gleniff Horseshoe. And if Gleniff looks impressive from the road, you should see it from above. The cliffs rise dramatically around the valley, creating a landscape that feels almost impossible. Somewhere among those mountains lies one of Ireland's highest caves. I couldn't even tell where. The scenery was simply too vast, too wild, too beautiful. As I explored, sheep and young lambs covered the hillsides. I still don't understand how those tiny legs carry them across slopes that make me dizzy just looking at them. For them, it was just another ordinary day. For me, it was a reminder that not every adventure needs a sunrise. Not every trip needs a grand plan. Sometimes a few hours in nature are enough to clear your mind, enough to release the pressure, enough to feel like yourself again. Every time I leave places like these, I'm tired, sometimes exhausted, but always better than when I arrived. And maybe that's why I keep coming back, because out here, away from the noise, the stress, and the routine, you remember what really matters.